Hi, I'm Maral. This video was recorded in Yashil Art Studio, and I'd like to take you with me through the process of creating a character illustration. The idea for this piece is inspired by the form of the pomegranate, a fruit that in Iranian culture symbolizes life, fertility, abundance, and continuity. This illustration was created in celebration of Yalda Night, an ancient Persian festival marking the longest night of the year. Yalda has been celebrated in Iran for thousands of years. It is a night when families gather together, share stories, read poetry, especially Hafiz, and celebrate light, warmth, and togetherness, believing that from the heart of the longest darkness, light is reborn. I began the process with an initial sketch focusing on form, balance, and character development. After refining the design, I moved on to coloring using acrylic markers. This medium allows me to work with both transparency and opacity, building color gradually through layered application. During the coloring process, I focused on blending the colors naturally, letting them flow into one another to create soft gradients. By controlling pressure and drying time, I shaped volume, depth, and an organic softness within the forms. For me, this stage is more than coloring, it's a dialogue with the material. This character is not just an illustration. It is a visual interpretation of Yalda Night, a reflection of patience, roots, femininity, and the quiet warmth that exists even in the longest night of the year. I hope you enjoyed watching this creative process. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and stay with me for more illustrations and creative journeys.